here we are, and today I'll show you my weekend project. It's an iris mount plate. Few of you have seen something like this, I know. Sometimes they arrive in the market and people is confused, is a piece of a lens, is what it is. They are usually made in brass and steel, and of course they are a little bit more sturdier than this. Even if this is printed with a carbon fiber filament, it's not as strong as a metal one. The reason why someone wants something like this is because many of us have lenses hanging around and want to give them a try, even without all the hassle of building a plate for them and having the lens constricted on a plate. When you tight the whole thing, the blades are coming around the lens and keeping it in position. Of course, it's not so tight and not so secure, but it's enough to see through the lens. That's basically the scope of the thing. I made two. I made one with a single retaining screw that's made for Linhof, and a single retaining screw because as you see, Linhof cameras have a very beefy front plate and a front standard, and two of these would hit here, and this is one and this is the other. I will release the plans to build it. It's not so difficult, but yes, it's an advanced print with some gluing, some screws, and some putting it together. Not for faint-hearted. This capability of these are from 52 millimeters more or less till circa 20 millimeters in the other direction. If you close it too tight, you will see some light passing through in the middle here. Let's see if I can, this is a little bit too tight, but till 20 millimeter is everything okay. The process of putting a lens inside is quite simple. Let's pick up a lens. More or less, you have to open it enough, but not too much. Then you tie it here, and you tie these two. And so the lens gets centered and gripped. If you look to the other side, you will see the blades and how do they close around the lens. As I told you, this is enough to see through your collection of old lenses and decided what's worth to do with them, how much they will cover, and if it's worth to build a proper mount. And this thing is not to be used permanently on the camera. You will drop your lenses. It's not made of steel, it's made of printed plastic.